So I came across this product on Shark Tank episode. It's this doctor that invented this straw supposed to cure hiccups. What you do is just sip water through it, hole in the bottom that will reverse your diaphragm, which causes your hiccups, and it will make you stop your hiccups. Also a child setting in the back, so that way the whole family could use it. I usually keep mine in my medicine cabinet. It's super handy. You can also take it to go in like a travel bag. I eat a lot of spicy food, so I tend to get hiccups a lot. This is very, very, very convenient for me. And now there's a flash sale in the TikTok shop, so I'll put the link down below so you could try it out and get yours too.